I hope I win the best prize. Pete will lick the big cone. I must take care of this pet. The small, thin dog is a bit lame. Ned is 9, but Jane is just 5. I made a rule, but Dave broke it. Hang this damn vest on the line. The gang lost the ball on the pitch. When I skip, I use this long, thin rope. Ross has a fine, big safe in his home. I lost the sock with the red stripe on it. Mom did not let Frank swim in the lake. Wave this flag at the end of the match. Pete did not like the dress that Jill wore. That bad aunt gave Pat a bite on the shin. I like that cake with all the jam at the top.